Hi, my name is Simon. I'm CEO and founder of Psychological AI. You are an SDR or in pre-sales. You have low conversions in your outreach abroad, and you ask yourself why this happens. One big reason is that your communication does not appeal to the prospect's emotional needs and interests and is not very personalized. So the question is, how can you adapt the language to attract more prospects in your outreach abroad? Today, I will guide you through the process how to improve your communication style in your outreach messages, how to personalize messages automatically, and generate a higher conversion rate with that. So let's have a look. So now the question is, how can you write personalized messages? And I will guide you through the system. So we are on LinkedIn. That's our main source. So we help you to write better LinkedIn messages. So you log into our website via psychological.ai, and then you find the LinkedIn extension. The LinkedIn extension is something very special because it helps you to create a personalized message on LinkedIn by understanding the emotional needs of each one. So what you do is you click on that, and then you see the installation page. You can do it also on Microsoft Edge via the Edge Store, and then you add the extension to your browser. And during the installation process, when it's finished, you will get a success message, and then you start in LinkedIn. So that's now the first step. And what you can do now is you can analyze someone. So here we see my profile. We now see here that we have the button to capture the personality of myself. Just remove that. And then you can drag and drop it wherever you like to have it. So I like to have it here. Then you click on it, and what it does then, it automatically analyzes now the personality, in that case of me, and gives me an idea of, okay, what is important for me. For example, harmonious, deliberate, conscious. I'm more or less someone who has a high affiliation motive, a lower reward focus. If you're interested in the psychology itself, you can read about that on our blog. But now the question is, okay, how can I write now a super personalized message? And what we do is here we generate a text for me, for example, a contact request. So we start to create a new project. And what we do here is we guide you through a process to write really good sales messages. And how it works is that we have this list of the problems, then we start with the features, then with the service, then with the impact that a product has. So for example, something that I could have is that I have too few leads, or I have too high cost per lead, I have little response and outreach, stuff like that. Then our technology says, okay, we can detect the personality of every person in the world, and we create a 100% personalized message. Then we have some benefits. Benefits are more or not with data. This is more or less, so what could be benefits? Like, okay, you get more feedback and you get more attention. This is something that people like to have. Or you save time, that you generate always a perfect message in milliseconds. And then when we check out the impact, so the real business impact is, for example, 30% more increase in conversion. And then you click on generate text variant. We ask you to save it so that you have it for the next prospect as well. You just give it a name, connection request English, for example. If you have more languages, we support more languages. And then what it does, it generates a message that understands, hey, here is a SaaS entrepreneur, I'm more into data, so I see data, and that's how the service works. And then I just copy it, send it to him and or her, and she will be super happy with it, and you will have a higher conversion there. What you can also do is you can do it for longer text, like sales email, so you can optimize a pitch with it. And we create also a process for it. So we have the same information, for example, it's too little feedback. We have our service called Psychological AI. We have the feedback stuff, and then we have here as well the increase. We save it for later. We say, okay, this is my sales pitch in English. And then what it does is I accept it, and now it generates a message for me that has the psychological in it, the psychological needs in it, and that's basically basically what I like to have. So we see it here. Dear Mr. Schütz, are you tired of low response rates, blah, 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 blah. And this will lead to a higher increase because it's personalized. We see that you're a successful entrepreneur, which is good for me. So that's how I would use it, and then I would copy it and send it out. Yeah, that's how we generate with our technology super personalized messages. You can use it via psychological.ai, and if you have any doubts and questions, please share it with us. So now you learned how to personalize and improve your outreach communication. And if you like to understand more about our technologies, about other features, check out our YouTube channel. And now I wish you good luck and start boosting your outreach with our technology.